last time what we have seen? Which option we have seen last time? Anyone?
सर स्केल रोटेशन के हो गए सर आज ब्रशेस आर्टिस्टिक बोलते हैं वो लोग
ओके सो चलो वो देखेंगे अलाइनमेंट्स हो गए थे
हाँ
yes sir alignments అయిపోయినాయి
అయిపోయిందా నేను చెప్పలేదు అనుకుంటా ఇవి అయిపోయినాయి కదా స్కేల్ స్క్యూ అండ్
అవి అయిపోయాయి సార్
okay
ये
now
नहीं हुआ
we'll be able to
लाइन
see this option we'll see this all 5 options okay so this one
అలైన్మెంట్ నాకు తెలిసి టెక్స్ట్ లో చెప్పినట్టున్నారు సార్
but in this also I've shown you but I have not shown you clearly. Let's see this one. First of all,
Yes,
let's
sir.
create an object, okay, and reduce the size and make it a color fill on this one. Example, if I want to align this object, okay, alignments option are available here now. Simple, without means without using this one directly. If you want to align, it will align it, okay, it will align, but where it is going exactly to the edge of the page. It is going to the edge now, okay. So instead of edge we can go to the center point of the document also, see, but right now slightly it is difficult to understand right now. Let's see this second option, that is active object. Active object in the sense whatever object is there, okay, whatever the active object is there, according to this one it is going to align it. Let's apply. Now example, right now I am keeping this all on different sides. Select this and select this one, 3 objects now. Now use this option called active object, okay, active object, and click. Right now what happened is there is no more option available for you to select that one. Example, first I'll select this one, then second and third one this one. Now when I say align now, what happened? This has become the last, that is active object. Can you see this dotted lines? Yeah.
Yes,
sir.
Now this is what last means last alignment we are having on this one. Let's say example, first, second and third selection. This is my last selection I have done. Now if I align this right side now, what happened? Let's see. Again I am using the active selection only, active object. What happened? This has become the active object. Means last selection whatever we do, it will become the active object. Is it clear this point? Hello?
yes sir
Okay, what is active object? Last selected object will become active object. Now edge we have seen, simply when we click the edge we can go to the left, right, okay, up and down. We have vertical center and horizontal center everywhere, okay, we can do that alignment here now. Simple option, center, right and left. Similarly top, middle and bottom. If I say these two, vertical center, horizontal center, vertical center, it will come exactly into the center point of the canvas. Okay, make selection again these two, and third option is there, that is center of the page now. Center in the sense it will come exactly into the center point of the canvas here now. See, small thing you need to understand here clearly. Once you click this center option here now, nothing has been applied over here now, but when you go and when you apply this object, see what happened. I'll take this one plus sign, I will take it, make a copy and rotate it 90 degrees, okay, and place this one both alignment in center, guys. First so edge of the page, center, and this one also center and center. Assume this is your main center line. Right now I am merging these two now. Select and use the combined option. Is it clear this point? This is your center point now. Now if I say center, alignment center now, example, we'll make it one more copy. We'll apply some different colors to these different objects now. See, now see, I am keeping this side. So first of all let's apply this one. I am taking what option? Center of the page now. Center of the page, when we click this one, when we say align left now, see what happened when I am saying left, where it will come on the right side of this one now. See, it came on the right side. See, center point of the object, right side. If I say top now, see what happened, it has gone to the top here now. Can you see? Right side in the sense not this side. This side it will apply the object, and top in the sense not here, but it will apply on the top. Means this one will become the base for this alignment. Is it clear?
yes sir
yes sir
కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి కొంచెం కాంప్లికేట్ ఉంటుంది, జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్ రైట్ నౌ. Now when I say what is it left, so what is it right, and if I say bottom, where it will go and it will align this one, just tell me. First of all, right alignment, then bottom. First you tell me right, where it will go and it will align right side in the sense. Now I'll tell you, so from here to here, which area it is going to align. The right is in the sense it will come on this side only, where it will align. Anyone? I'll align it now. See what happens, center of the page, when I say right side, where it has came on the right side of this one. Now when I say bottom, now what happened, this one will become the base for this now. See, is it okay? Now this is coming on the bottom right side and this is coming on the bottom left side, what is it, top left side. So this is right and this is bottom. Now means it is showing bottom. Similarly, I'll select this object and I will apply over here now. I need to apply here.
సార్ ఇంకోసారి చెప్పరా సార్ అది?
అదే చెప్తున్నాను మీకు. ఫస్ట్ ఇది చెప్తున్నాను, ఒకసారి ఇది అర్థం చేసుకోండి. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు అలైన్ దిస్ సైడ్ నౌ, ఓవర్ హియర్ నౌ. వాట్ ఆప్షన్ ఐ నీడ్ టు యూస్ ఫర్ హియర్ నౌ టు యూస్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ షుడ్ కమ్ ఓవర్ హియర్ నౌ. What option I should use? First of all, page center, then
left alignment,
left alignment. Okay,
bottom.
very good. అర్థమైపోయింది, అంతే, ఈజీ. Is it clear?
Yes.
Option
Yes,
is
sir.
what? Here you see, this is your left and this is your top, this is bottom and this is top. Same top and bottom, and this is right side. That's it. If you understand this one, it will become more easy for you. That's the reason I have created one object for showing you clear how this is going to align it. Is it clear this point? Center of the page.
Yes, sir.
Next option is active object. What is a specific point now? Example, I'll select this object. Now I'll take this point. Okay, what I'll do, I'll click where I want it now. See, select this one. Okay, now here one option will be there. Otherwise, select this all objects. Now, can you see this option here? Yeah.
Sir,
Click this one and put where you want your object to be aligned now. Click here and use this alignment left side. What happened? This area has become center, once left side now. See, one more time. I'll do one thing. I'll keep the object as it is, that deleted object. Let's move this one. Now select this one and apply on the little bit up now here. Now what I want, now specific point in the sense I want to specify a point over here now. Now select this all objects. Select all objects. Now go to this specific point here. Now you need to select this one, then only this will get active. Okay, and multiple objects should be there. Single object will not apply like this. Select this point. Where I need to click? Over here now. Here I have clicked here now. After defining this point, what I have to do? I need to use right alignment for coming onto this side. This side. Left alignment in the sense it will come here. If I say bottom, it will come over here now. Top, if I say, it will come over here. Depends on the alignment which I have chosen. Like say example, let's go to the top section now. See what happened? Here, this is the point. See the exact point. And if I say right side now, what happened? It came on to the right side. See, is it okay? What happened? This has become the reference point for this object. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes.
Adhaveda?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now example, I'll take one small point here now. Assume this is my reference point. Okay, now let's apply some yellow color for this one so that you can see. This has to be my center point. I'll move this one and I'll keep it in the center like this. Okay, don't take this as seriously. Why? Because it is only for showing you how this alignment will be done. Now this is the main point where my all objects should be aligned. Select this all. What option I need to click? Click this option. Click on this object. This has become the center reference point. If I say right side, now whether it will apply on this side or this side. I have given the reference point here. This is the reference point. This side or this side. If I am using alignment right. This side?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now second one. Now if I want to align this one top if I want to align say exactly on this one, where it will come? 1 2 3 4. 1
Fourth place, sir.
3.
4. Fourth?
Yeah.
1 2
Fourth
3 4.
one, sir.
Right. Top alignment. Top చెప్పాను కదా, ఇది టాప్, ఇది బాటమ్. ఇది these two are bottom, these two are top, and this is left and this is right. Sorry, this is right and this is left. Is it clear?
Yes.
So reference point is it become as a main base when we are using this option. Okay, so these options are available inside the CorelDraw. We can use this all options. Okay, so this is first of all your alignment option, guys. Next option is distribution. Let's make it multiple objects. Now example, I'll keep it on this side. Let's make it one more object here and Control D to make multiple objects here. Now how many pieces I have made it?
5, sir.
Right. Now if I'm using this alignment, now I'm going to the page center, guys, page edge now. Okay, I'm using the alignment right side. What happened? It has came on the right side now. Can you see? All came on the right side of the page. Now I want
Yes,
to distribute.
sir.
I want to give an equal gap between this now. What I have to do? Use horizontal distribution center or vertical distribution center. Now right now it is vertical distribution. This you need to click. Distribution center vertically. See? We got an equal gap between this now. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One more time. But whenever you are planning, now this object and this object should be inside this canvas area only. And when you are applying horizontal means the object should be in this way only. Okay, it should be like this. Why? Because it will come exactly horizontal and it will take the selected object like this. Select and use this top alignment. You can see it came top. Now I want equal gap between this now. What I have to do? Horizontal distribution center now. See? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this option? Alignment and distribution. Okay, this is your first panel which we have discussed right now. Next option is steps and repeat. Steps in the sense, like example, earlier we have seen one option. What is it? Making a copy and then using Control D to make a duplicate copy, isn't it? One more option we have seen, sizing and scaling and mirroring. But this is one good option we are having. Here we have very easy and best option to apply multiple copies. Now this is one object I am having. I'll move the position to 0 0 first of all. Where it came over here. Now the object size I am defining in inches. Okay, remove this link. Okay, select this object and make it 1 by 1, guys. 1 as 1. Okay, and lock it again. Right now my objects is 1 by 1, position is 0, no rotation, nothing. Now I want to make around 10 copies over here. How much?
10.
Right. Now how much I need to give when I want to give a move here now? Option, what is this? Offset area. Now how much I need to give offset area for this one? Offset area in the sense, from this point over here, if I want to apply this offset area, this complete area we need to define for getting this outside this. Right now what is the object size?
1 by 1.
1 by 1. So we need to give 1 over here to get an offset. Horizontal you want, vertical you want. I want to only horizontal. Right now this is horizontal settings. 1 each, and number of copies how many you want. Let's make it 10. Let's see. Apply. What happened? Sorry, one second. My mistake. I am not given 0 here. Otherwise simple option say none here now. No offset area. That's it. Number of copies horizontal 10. Now you can see this information. Where it came exactly to the object corner. Now what is my requirement? I want to give it 0.2 inch 0.2 inch gap in between each and every object. How much I need to define here now? I need, just now you have seen exactly it came beside. I want to 2 inch gap in between these all objects. What value should I give here?
1.2.
1.2. Anybody agrees with this one? Or is it wrong?
Sir, you're breaking for me, sir. I'm not able to hear you.
Acha, you means my voice is breaking? Yeah? Is it my voice is breaking?
Yes, sir.
సార్ ఇందాక వచ్చుండే సార్ ఇప్పుడు లేదు ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్ ఉంది
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what is my requirement? Now if you have seen this one, earlier I have applied one, now it came beside this object. Exactly, it came like this. Right? I want 2-inch gap in between this now. 0.2 inch, not this 2 inch, 0.2 inch I want to have a gap. What value should I define if I want to make that 10 copies? How much I need to give here? Rubina said 1.2. As anybody agrees with this one or any other value we need to apply?
1.5 సార్
1.5. Very good. Any other answers? No answers? Yes or no? चलो कोई बात नहीं हम ही ले लेंगे 1.2 is the correct one. When we apply it has equal means in between this one. Right now this object is 1. If I want offset area of 2, so how much we need to give? 1.2 here now. Is it okay? Clear? Is it clear? Offset area in the sense from the object, how much far you want it. No, do you want exact or do you want little bit more extra space now? So I have given 1.2. This is how we can use this option. Instead of this one more option is there, space in between objects. We don't have to worry. Only how much I want gap?
2
0.2. But what it is saying? What it is saying? Space between objects. So how much I told you? How much gap I want?
0.2.
0.2. 0.2. That is enough over here. Easy. Very easy option. Now see. Same option. Now which is easy? First one or this one?
This one, sir.
Why? Because easily we can understand. Why? Because it is asking how much space you want in between each and every object. You can define it like this. Is it clear?
yes sir
Now this is what so this option. Now example, right now my objects are coming on the right side. I want that object should come on the left side now. What I have to do? I need to change the direction. That's it. Change of direction and apply it. See? Change of direction and apply it. Select this object and apply it. We got 10 over here, 10 over here now. But total how many objects we are having over here now? Tell me. How many objects I am having over here now? Can you tell me?
20, sir. No.
कितने हैं? Can you see over here?
Sir, yeah.
10 इधर बनाया मैं, 10 इधर बनाया तो ओरिजिनल को जो सब भूल गया.
21.
Original is also there, so it will be 21. चलिए ये हो गया हमारा. What is this horizontal? What is the step and repeat option? Is it clear this point, all of you? Same.
Yes, sir.
Vertical is same. Vertical again same. There is no change in vertical. Only it will come in vertical form. That's it. Next option is shaping. We have already seen this shaping. One more time we'll see this one. Maybe shaping we have not seen. Sorry. This is very important in CorelDraw. And in Illustrator also we have this one. Can you see these two objects? Yeah.
yes yes sir
I am taking this one more. 1 minute. Let's apply some other color. Now I am selecting only these two now. These two objects. Now if you can see this one, shaping, weld option is there. Here is a weld. Second option is what? Trim. Here trim option is there. Intersect is there. That is intersection is over here. Third one. Fourth one is there. What is it? Fourth one? Simplify. Here we have simplify option. Okay, and another option is there, front minus and back minus front. Here we have front minus back and back minus front. Last option is boundaries. It is going to create a boundaries. Here we have, and here also we have. Here after selecting this one, we need to apply this one. As we need to weld, so it will weld this one. See what happened? Sorry, one second. What happened? It got weld here now. See. Simple option. What we have to do? Select these two objects and use the option what you want it. Now after this one, what we have to do? Weld it. Weld to now. What it is asking? It is asking to weld which one you want it. Just simply click the other object. That is enough. I don't want blue color. I want red color over here. What I need to do? Select this option and click on the red color. What happened? When we click on any object, it will take the color from the same object. Is it okay? First point, welding.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It has become a single object. Now, second one. What is second option? That is trim option. Now here also we have trim, but we'll apply from here now. See, easy option. When we say weld, it is weld, and second one when we say trim, it will trim this.
Sir, you're breaking again.
Again, it is breaking. So maybe the network problem is there. Okay, shall we continue tomorrow then?
Oh, it's okay, sir. You can continue.
Okay, right. So if my voice is clear, I'll continue it.
Okay, sir.
Right? Is it so all of you? Is it my voice is clear?
हाँ सर.
हाँ sir.
सर मुझे तो आ रही थी सर शुरुआत से क्लियर.
नहीं मतलब हो सकता कभी कभी थोड़ा यहाँ पे थोड़ा अभी नेटवर्क का इशू चल रहा थोड़ा, लेकिन इतना नहीं है. बट डू यू वांट मी टू कंटिन्यू? Right? It is very important. All these options.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
You can continue.
Right. So now first of all, I am selecting these two objects. I have used the first option, that is weld. What happened? It is becoming a single object. And now when I apply from here, what it is, which color it is taking? It is taking the backside object color. See. Now when I am selecting the normal without using this option, when I am applying this one, it is taking the backside object. Okay, let's see. How many objects we are having right now?
3 objects.
Now which is the background one? Backside, which is the backside
Red color.
Right. Now select this all three and use this option. What happened?
It has taken red color.
Whenever we are applying this weld option or anything, it is going to take the backside object color in this one. But if I am
Sir,
using
it Pathfinder option type है sir.
same. Now second option is there, that is trim. What happened in the trim? See, it has separated these two now. This is it has kept same as it is without any break, but it has cut from this object. Now see one more time. Now right now I am having 3 objects, guys. Okay, I am selecting 3 objects. Now I am using the trim option. See what happened? Just click the trim, move this object. Right now we can see 2 pieces it has cut because it was overlapping this one. Second one, this is overlapping this one. What happened? It has kept as it is without any break now. See. But overlapping area of the object has been removed from the backside object. Means more the backside object is getting affected in this trim option. One more time I'll show you. If I am using single object, there is no difference here now. Simple it is. But when you apply multiple objects, that time only it is very difficult to understand. Right now select and apply the trim option. Is it okay? These 2 objects which were on the top, it doesn't got any disturbance here. But this object got cut from the backside. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next option. What is this next option? Intersect. Intersect in the sense, whatever the intersection area of these 3 objects, it will keep that one. It will remove all outer area. See, 1, 2, and 3. What happened? We got intersection of so these 3 objects here now, which is kept in the center now. Can you see? Select 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just move this outside and see when we select this one and we apply this one as a background. Right click, object and front now, just for showing you where it has applied and how it has applied. See, this is the area which has been applied here. Intersection area of this one. Simple option. If you want to find this one, you can, when you remove this outline color, you can see where it is coming exactly on this area. This area is coming. Can you see? This area is coming in the intersection area. Okay, so delete this one. Let's select this all and we'll use the next option. Yes. Now this we have seen, and next option is what? Simplify. What happened? Now we can see first object is as it is, second object got subtracted from this one, and third object got put subtraction. Means how many objects are overlapping, one by one it will remove the background portion of the each and every object. Okay, let me select and apply some colors, guys. Blue, red, dark blue, and one more object I am taking on this one. Let's say yellow color now. How many objects I am having?
4, sir.
Now if I apply this one, see what happened. I'll apply out so means I'll apply this option. See, simplify. What happened? The first object. Now these two objects will be subtracted, this area and this area will be subtracted from these two, from this object. Here it will remove. Now we can see it has removed. But in the second object, what happened? This area also got subtracted. Why? Because it was overlapping this one and this one. See, and third object got subtracted. Whatever the overlapping objects are there, all it will be removing from the back side. Is it okay? Stages wise it is going to remove backside portion. Is it clear?
Yes.
Simplify option.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now this is very important, guys, all of you, for logo creation, for any kind of object creation if you want. This is very important. Okay, next option is that front minus and back minus front. Means front minus back and back minus front. Front minus back means the back in the sense what happened? All the object from the front area will be removed. See? Sorry, 1 second. What is it option? Yeah. Front minus back means front from the front object, all the backside object will get subtracted. See, all the objects gone now. Now similarly, I'll use the other option, that is back minus front. What happened? From the back object, the front object will get subtracted. See? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. And last option, that is create boundaries. Create boundaries in the sense it will create the outlines over here. Very easy and nice option, this one. Because this one I have struggled a lot for this one, for doing this one. Again, as this one I have learned from that person only, where I have sat for 1 hour for banner creation. I have learned this one from him. Very easy and best option. Why? Because if you want any kind of shape like this outline portion, easily we can get, and it is totally combined one now. See, is it clear, all of you, this one?
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
So now this is how we can use this one. And second one, whenever we create any jewelries, this is mostly used in the jewelry section. Now example, you see, now let me present exactly in center P, and this one also P. Why? Because it will come exactly in center now. See. Okay, now we can select this portion and we can combine them. So use this option called weld. What happened in the weld? It has removed the front portion, and now it has become one single object. Okay, so we don't use this one over here, but as another option is there, combining objects will keep this object and it will keep as single object. Now see, if I apply the outline, see the difference in these two. One option is there, that is extra option available. Now select these two and make a copy. What I am doing here now, I am using this option. What is it? Combining now. Now if I apply the color, see what happened, where it is going to apply. Here if I am applying the color on these two sections, select one color and select the other color. Now see what happened? It is solid object only, no subtraction here now. But here what happened? The inner area is open as it is, and it is also created this one now. We can create a nice jewelry here. 1 second. Nice jewelries we can create on this one. Let me delete this too. Okay, let's keep this one over here. Zoom, and let's use this one. Just click here and move this center point over here. Okay, and rotate it little bit. Make a duplicate. Control D to make a duplicate now. Right? You got nice chain here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So jewelries बनाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये. Now example, I'll show you one more option in this one. I'll delete this one. 1 second. I want this object should be become the base. Why? Because if I want to align it on this basis, I want to align it. 1 second. select this one and keep it on this side or over here now. Keep it exactly in center, and this one also should be in on this corner now. Zoom. First of all, I want to design this one now. No outlines are needed. I don't want outlines, only fill color. Make a copy first. Now small size, use shift and make it a small size. अभी जैसे ज्वेलरीज के लिए जाते हैं ना तो बहुत सारे डिटेल्स देखते हैं आप लोग, ओके, स्पेशली लेडीज़, क्योंकि ज्वेलरीज लेडीज़ के लिए है ना, जेंट्स के लिए नहीं है. Okay, I'll keep this one, and one more copy I'm making on this one. Now let's make it flip horizontal and flip vertical. One second, remove this, otherwise rotate it, undo, click one more time and rotate it on other direction. One more time click and present it over here. Okay, now two more pieces of this one, drag it and drop it, and I wanted a copy of this one. Assume this is a normal jewelry, select this one and combine it. What we have to do for combining? Group it now. Group object, select this one. One more time if you click in this one, you can get the center reference point here. Now, reference point you have to move it over here and keep it in the center now. Approximate. Now rotate it. Okay, how many copies you want, you can rotate and you can place it. Now use Ctrl D to make a copy here. See? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So like this you can keep. Now example, if I want to have what do we call that is one more sir, 1 second. I'll create one more object here, undo. I'm keeping one more now. Let me select this one and group it, guys. This is single group now. Let's make it one more now. Rotate it in this direction. Sorry. Where is this center point? Sorry, it is center point is here. Bring the center point in the center here now. Okay, now make a copy here. Okay, again select this point. Okay, and again click here and place the reference point on this center now, on this area, and rotate it little bit. Ctrl D and present this one. जैसे हार रहता ना वैसा, but I want to make it as little bit small size this one. Okay, now if you want to make a copies, you can make a number of copies, delete, make it a small size, guys. ओके, अभी जैसे ये इसका कॉपीज बना रहा हूँ मैं. सेलेक्ट एंड मेक ए कॉपी. आप किसको चाहिए डिज़ाइन बोल दो, उससे पैसे ले लेता हूँ मैं. ओके, मेक ए कॉपीज over here now. As I'll delete this all copies, guys, because I want to delete. I want to make it one more time copies now. Okay, just present it here now on this area over here and rotate it. The reference point is here, and bring this one over here and rotate it a little bit. Okay, and make it rotation now. Where is this exact center point for this one now? Okay, zoom and click here, and one more time click and make the center point over here. Okay, and rotate it. Ctrl D to make a copy. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So easily you can make jewelries also in this one, but properly design has to be done. Okay, I randomly have taken some design, I have created this one. Is it okay? अब ब्रेसलेट समझो, अपने जो नेकलेस समझो, जो भी समझना है समझ सकते हैं उसको. Okay, so this is what so means this what do we say, pathfinder can do, or we can say here now shapings option. In shaping option we have this option, we can do it now. Next option is fillet and scalp and chamfer. Right now we have 10-15 minutes, we'll complete this one. Okay, now example, in this one fillet and all, we have to take the rectangle. For rectangle only it will work, or else polygon it will work. Okay, let me select this one and use this option, fillet option. But from here, if you are applying, if I'm applying from here, I need to apply every time. But from instead of this one, I can provide the value here 5. Now I can change it now, see. So make it around 0.5, so it will be better. Now we can see the difference here. Same thing it is going to do here now. But what we have to do, first of all, 1 minute, one more object I am creating. From here, if I am applying, I need to select the object, then I need to define the value, what option I wanted, just then apply it. See, means once you have applied it, now you can apply this option, this one, and say apply. What happened? 1 second. Let me apply 10 option here now, 1 inch, and apply the scalp option and say apply now. Nothing has been done here now, maybe the mod object is modified. Let's apply scalp and apply. See, okay, means it is little complicated to do. Why? Because once it is showing, but one advantage is there, it will show you the exact selection where it is going to modify, means how it is going to give you an output. You can see that information in this one. If I am applying, see, okay, we can see what information we are creating, chamfer we are creating. Now we can see the preview, how it is going to modify it. Apply, you can see the modification. Is it okay? What is this option, guys? Fillet, scalp and chamfer. But very easy option. Now example, if we don't want to apply from here, here from easily we can apply. Give the value and change what option you wanted. You can see easily what you want. Later if you want, you can increase the value also, like make it 1, and you can see, and you can change, and you can see the effect also. Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to apply different side, like example, I don't want this side and this side, what I'll do, remove this link and make it 0. On the right side I want 0 now. We can see nice design, we got it now. Now what I have done, I have removed this link and I have removed the 2 value, top left side and bottom right side. Okay. Yes,
Yes,
all of you. Now I am providing the link. Now it will become normal here. Sorry, delete. So this is what this one, guys, scalp, and last option, that is join curves. Now example, I am creating 2 lines here. Already we have seen this one through the tools. Here is this what's it, connected. Same here now. Select this all. Here is the option, what option you want, you can choose this one. Example, let's take the extension, and this tolerance point is nothing but the gap between these 2 guys. The tolerance point is nothing but in between these 2, how much gap we are having. When we say apply, see what happened? Anything happened here? Nothing. Let me make it 1 inch now. See what happened? Nothing has happened. Now when I say 2, what happened? It got connected here now. See. Now if I say 1.5, 1 second, undo. So when I say 1.5 and apply, see it is connected. Means it is more than 1 inch of gap in between these 2. So that's the reason it is taking this gap here now. Make a copy, guys. One more. Select this both. Right now 1.5 is there. Now it is not applying. If I make it 2, it will apply. See, can you see? 2 got connected now. Instead of this one, if I want another option now, we can apply another option also. Let's say chamfer. We can have 1 second. Select this both and apply the fillet option and apply it. See. Okay, how much gap you want, you can give the gap also. One more. Make a copy and just make it as slightly crossed. Apply this one and make it more value for this one, 4, and apply the fillet option. Bezier curve. 1 minute. Bezier curve, will take it now. Make a copy, select this both and use the Bezier curve and apply it. See, We got nice curve option. Is it clear, this one? And what is this? Nothing but whenever you select this one, now so using the shape tool, okay, now you get the handles over here. Now 1 second, you get the handles. We can modify the handles here. Now see, even we can make it more smooth this here. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this option?
Yes, sir.
Join curves option here now. So we can join the curves as after using this values here now. Okay, so try to practice this one. We have completed this one more block. Okay, this block we have completed. Alignment, step and repeat, shaping, so what is it? Fillet, scalp and chamfer, and last one is join curves. And tomorrow we'll see this option and we'll finish it tomorrow, these two sections. Okay,
Yes,
right, all
sir.
of you?
Yes, sir.
Maybe you have started recording or not? Yes. Okay.